Yes, hello guys. Good morning. It's Military Forex, and today I want to show you the trade recap of GBPCHF, as I promised you that I'll provide a video for you. So now let's start and see how I took that trade on previous week, and this was my analysis. For the first, I would like to know the trend of this pair. As you can see here, that the trend of GBPCHF was in a downtrend, and we are now on the bottom of the chart, or the bottom of the price. And as you can see here on weekly time frame, that price is in a ranging market, as I'm expecting that the price will test this new high here that I categorize it as my advanced strategy. As I already told you that we have already finished basic demand and supply strategy, that we have already learned the basic level of bank. Now in advanced strategy, that we will learn on how to identify market structure and trend identification. So I'm trading advanced strategies in which I deal with market structure and trend identification. So this was the previous high, and this was my new high. This is the bottom of the market, and as you can see here, market was been in a ranging since 23rd March of 2020. Now, when I drop into low time frame, let's look at daily time frame. On daily time frame, I spotted that this was the previous current high on daily time frame, and this was my daily high. I call it high or invalidation or termination points. That's how I consider this. In order to learn how to identify this or how to read this on your chart, I will provide personal training or free course to join in military premium channel, so that you will learn all this, how I spot my highs, how I spot my entries, how I identify trend moving. As we can see in daily time frame, that price was approaching our previous daily invalidation points and daily structure level. Thus, the price was approaching like this. I can call it a correction or pullback to touch our invalidation level or termination point, so that we can come and test where the previous trend was started. I'm talking about this trend here. Let's drop into daily time frame, into 4 hours, to see what I focused last week and the market didn't respect it. So this was the previous analysis that I shared with you on GBPCHF analysis last week. On my YouTube channel, you can go there and see how I spotted this. Before this price here happened, I told you that what I'm expecting was to the drop of GBPCHF from this area here around this, and then to take it as my short trade to the bottom of this structure here. So as I explained and how I shared with you was the price to come and witness this area here, that we can consider taking our short trade on this area here. But what happened was that we have our key level here, and we expect price to come and test this area here so that we can consider our short trade. But as I was waiting for this trade, I spotted that the structure high was being ignored. The price didn't respect these levels, and what happened is that we have two candles that closed above our price, our structure high, and our invalidation level. So as I saw that this bias was changing, I act according to what I see, because I trade what I see. I don't trade what I like or how my strategy wants. But what I do is that I respect the message which I get from the market. So as I spotted these candles close above my structure high and my invalidation high, what I did was to find an entry that I'm going to join the buyers for bullish. So I spotted this liquidation level here, and then I changed my price level from here to this point here. Then what I did was I went into low time frame and find an entry. Then I joined the buyers from this level here, because I know that when the price didn't respect this level here, that is the message that we are still in bullish. So this is how I took my trade. And my target point, I went into the late time frame. My first target point for this trade will be at this level here. My second target will be at this resistance here. This is how I took this trade, and I shared this trade with premium members. And if you want to come and join my team, the price is now very low, but next time I still prepare advanced materials for those who I need to increase their knowledge. For those who I need to increase their knowledge, I will update materials on my premium channel. You're all welcome. As you know, you can DM me on my social medias, Instagram. You can comment on my YouTube channel as Military Effects. You're all welcome.